Formax presents the FD1202 Tabletop Pressure Sealer. The FD1202 Tabletop Pressure Sealer is the ultimate low-volume solution for processing pressure-sensitive one-piece mailers. It's rugged, compact, and built in the USA with proven Formax technology. Combined with a laser printer and pressure seal forms, the FD1202 creates secure mail-ready pieces in minutes, without the hassle and expense of using envelopes. It's an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes looking to save money and streamline mail processing. The FD1202 is easy to use right out of the box, with clearly marked fold plates and ergonomically designed start-stop buttons. It processes a variety of pressure seal forms up to 8.5 inches wide by 14 inches long in standard and custom folds. To select a standard 11-inch or 14-inch fold, simply loosen the knobs on the fold stop, slide to the correct setting, and tighten the knobs. Repeat for both upper and lower fold plates. Now, load the printed forms into the feeder and press the green button to start. In no time, forms are folded, sealed, and ready for the mail in one easy step, up to 38 forms per minute. The adjustable catch tray provides neat sequential stacking of processed forms. The Formax FD1202 is rugged and efficient, proudly built in the USA, and is an ideal solution for any size business looking to streamline its mail processing with pressure seal technology.